My Nana and Granddad's washing machine is got a bit of a problem. For switch it on there, can get it to focus. Check the drainage. So that's what the problem is. There was water coming out of there before. Try fixing that. It's not really still flashing. We found a lot of grease and grime in there. We've just cleaned that out. So we might have to take the top off and see what else is on in there. See what else. Something might be wrong up there. So we might have to do that. It works like normal when we set it to a program. Just finished 95. Hours. There's some kind of problem. I don't know what's wrong with it. I don't know what's wrong with it. So it looks like it would start as normal, but that would still be flashing. Something's not right. Well, leave a comment down below and see what you guys think, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.